We did our presentation on religion and college-age students. Our hypothesis was that the majority of college-age students do not participate in religious services on a weekly basis. Also, many students are away from the college for the first time. The questions we asked in our survey was, how often do you attend religious services while in college? How often do you attend religious services while at home? And to what degree do your parents/guardians influence their decision? What we found was, based on the data we collected from 30 individuals on the oval, how often do you attend religious services in college? 5 people said once a month, 4 people said once a week, 17 people said never, and 1 person said once a year, and 3 people said on holidays. Our next question was, how often do you attend religious services at home? And 3 people said once a month, 11 people said once a week, 11 people also said never, 1 person said once a year, and 4 people said on holidays. And the last question was, to what degree do your parents influence your decision to attend religious services? 12 people said somewhat, 11 people said not at all, and 7 people said very much so. Of the 30 people we interviewed, 17 responded that they never go to church while in college, while only 11 answered that they never go to church at home. Combined, 19 students answered that their parents were either very influential or somewhat influential. We graphed the answers from our 3 different questions in a bar graph. In order to condense answers that were not numerical, we gave each answer a numerical value. As you can see, almost all students said that their parents did indeed influence their religious decisions with a high point of 8 on the graph. With low points on the graph, students between 1 and 3 said that they did not attend religious services in college. Often, these low points correlated with whether or not they attended religious services at home. For example, person number 3 surveyed that she went to religious services at the same amount of times at home and at school, very rarely. But the students' parents still influenced their decision with a high point of 8. Overall, our hypothesis neither supported nor refuted by our data. Most people do indeed skip religious services while at college compared to home. Our sample size consisted of 30 people, but 3 were over the age of 23. Research suggests that religion is more diverse than ever on college campuses. It is becoming more and more common for people to choose to stop going to church in early adulthood. But now the numbers are in, and the argument should be settled. Religious practice dramatically decreases in college and students. Positions on hot-button religious cultural questions move appreciably to the left.